Good morning, children. In the previous class, what we learned was we learned about the lax period and next number names and next expanded form we learned. Okay, now we are going to the next topic, ascending order. What is called ascending order, children? Ascending order. Ascending order means what? When the numbers are arranged from smallest to greatest and the numbers are in ascending order. Okay. All of you take your CWs. Write the heading ascending order. When the numbers are arranged from smallest to greatest. When the numbers are arranged from smallest to greatest, they are in ascending order. They are in ascending order. Okay, ma'am? Right. Can you write one example for ascending order, children? 12 lakhs, 10,153, 10 lakhs, 50,526, 25 lakhs, 10,253, 88 lakhs, 19,005. So like that some numbers given, you have to arrange in ascending order. Okay. So ascending order means what? You have to arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest. So among these numbers, which is the smallest number, children? First, what I told, how to compare the numbers. First, you have to count the number of digits. First, count the number of digits for all the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 7 digits. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here also 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here also 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here also 7 digits. So all are 7 digits only. So if the digits are same means what you should do? Now you can go to the higher place. Which is the highest place here? 10 lakhs. So in the 10 lakhs place here 1, tier 1, tier 2, tier 8. So which one is the smallest number? 1. So here 1 is 2 are there. Okay. Now we have to move to the next place. What is the next place? Lakhs place. Tier 2, tier 0. So which one is the smallest? 10 lakhs is the smallest. So first you should write here. 10 lakhs 50,526. Okay. Next, afterwards, this one. 12 lakhs 10,153. Now these two are completed. Next, these two. So which one is the smallest? Tier 2, tier 8. Which one is the smallest? Yes, 2 is the smallest. So 25 lakhs 10,253. Okay. And next number remaining 88 lakhs 19,005. Did you understand, ma'am? Like that you have to compare the numbers and write the ascending order. Okay, ma'am? Right. Next is children, descending order. So when the numbers are arranged from greatest to smallest, they are in descending order. Okay. So ascending order means the numbers are arranged from smallest to greatest is called ascending order. and descending means it will be quite opposite of the ascending order. That means numbers are arranged from greatest to smallest. They are in descending order. Okay, I'm writing the example. Okay, here 33 lakh 6,156, 6 lakh 10,156, 86 lakh 19,120, 7 lakh 6,160. So among these numbers, which is the highest number, greatest number? So first what I told, you can compare, count the number of digits. Here how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these two are 6 digits and these two are 7 digits. So you have to write first greatest number. So you have to check these two numbers, 7 digit numbers. Greatest place, here it is 3. Here 8. So which one is the greatest children? Yes, that one is the greatest. So 86 lakh 19,120. And next number is 33 lakh 6,156. Okay. Next. Here 6 digit, that one also 6 digit. In this 6 digit, which one is the highest? You have to check the highest place. Here 6, there 7. So that is the greatest. 7 lakh 6,116. Next number 6 lakh 10,156. Did you understand now? Right. See the studio of children, page number 44. Arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. So here some numbers are given, children. You have to arrange that numbers in ascending order and descending order. Can you write, children? Already I told the examples. So can you write? Come on, start right now. So what are the numbers given here, children? 71 lakhs 28,059. Next one, 85 lakhs 46,001. Next, 8 lakhs 34,982. 7 lakhs 12,928. 92 lakhs 56,140 given. Now you have to arrange the numbers in ascending order and descending order. So in ascending order, how to arrange? Ascending order means what, ma? Smallest to biggest. Ascending order means what? Smallest to biggest. Ascending order. So now how to compare first? You have to compare first number of digits. Count the number of digits first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one also 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one also 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one 7. So 3 numbers are 7 digits and these 2 numbers are 6 digits. So ascending order means you have to arrange smallest to biggest no. So 6 digits you have to take. Okay. So in these 6 digits, here 2 numbers are there. Now you have to check the greatest place. Which is the greatest place here? 8. Here 7. Which one is the smallest number? 7 is the smallest number. So write that number first. 7,12,928. Okay, that one is completed. Next number, 6-digit number, this one. Write that one. 8,34,982. Okay, so 6-digit numbers are completed. Now 7-digit numbers, 3 numbers are there. Now you have to check the greatest place. So here greatest place is 7, here 8, here 9. So which one is the smallest? 7 is the smallest. So write that one. 71 lakhs 28,059. Okay. Next 8 and 9. Which one is the smallest? 8 is the smallest. So 85 lakhs 46,001. Next one 92 lakhs 56,114. Okay, ma? So this is the ascending order. Now you have to arrange the numbers in descending order. Same numbers. Descending order. It will be reversed of ascending order. So you should reverse these numbers. Descending order means numbers arranged from greatest to smallest. So first number what you should write? 92 lakhs 56,114. And next number 85 lakhs 46,001. Next number 71 lakhs 28,059. Next 8 lakhs 34,982. Next one 7 lakhs 12,928. Okay, ma'am? Is your answer correct, children? Check your answers. Now see the children homework, companion, page number 21. In companion page number 21, arrange the given numbers in ascending order. So here some numbers are given, you have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. And second question is arrange the given numbers in descending order. You have to arrange these numbers in descending order, children. Okay, this is the homework for you. So what is the homework today? Companion page number 21. You can do the homework. Okay, next topic is in studio consecutive numbers. What are called consecutive numbers, children? What are called consecutive numbers? Numbers that come one after the other in order are called consecutive numbers. Numbers that come one after the other in order are called consecutive numbers. Okay, all of you take your CWs, write the consecutive numbers. Consecutive numbers. Take your CW, write consecutive numbers. Numbers that come one after the other in order are called consecutive numbers. Are called consecutive numbers. Numbers that come one after the other in order are called consecutive numbers. So what are those? Cause Consecutive numbers are arranged in ascending order only. They are in ascending order. That means smallest to greatest. So what are the examples? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. So these are the consecutive numbers. So 1 after 2, 2 after 3, 3 after 4. In order it will come. So these are called consecutive numbers. Okay, ma'am. And next, consecutive even numbers. Consecutive even numbers. So consecutive even numbers means even numbers that come one after the other are called consecutive even numbers. Even numbers that come one after the other are called consecutive even numbers. So what are called even numbers, children? You already know even numbers means the numbers which are divisible by 2. That means 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. They are in a ones place. Those numbers are even numbers. Okay. So consecutive even numbers means even numbers that come one after the other. That means suppose 2 is an even number. 2 is an even number. What is the next even number, children? Next even number is 4. And next even number 4 after 6. And next even number 8. And next even number 10, 12, 14. Like that. So these are the consecutive even numbers. Did you understand, ma'am? Come on, guys. Next one is consecutive odd numbers. Consecutive odd numbers. So odd numbers means the numbers which are not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. Okay. So odd numbers that come one after the other are called consecutive odd numbers. So the numbers that come one after the other are called consecutive odd numbers. Can you tell me one odd number? First odd number is 1. And next odd number 3. Next odd number 5. Next 7, 9, 11, 13, so on. These are all consecutive odd numbers. Okay, ma'am? Right. Open your studio. See the page number 45, 3.5c activity. How would you feel if your favorite relatives visited you for 5 consecutive days? So how would you feel, ma, if your favorite relatives visited your house for 5 consecutive days? For 5 days, your relatives will come to your house. How would you feel? That one you should write the answer. Okay. Write your thoughts in 2 to 3 sentences. Write your thoughts. So if they are coming to your house, your favorite relatives are coming to your house, what would you feel? And you have to express 2 to 3 sentences. Okay. Next, what would you plan for those 5 days? For those 5 days, what you planning? Suppose you are going to movie or shopping, market. Okay, like that you should write the plan for those 5 days. Okay, children, that is the homework for you. 3.5 activity. So what is the homework today? Companion page number 21 and in studio page number 45. 3.5 activity is the homework. Okay, ma'am. You can write your own. That is the homework. Okay, we'll continue tomorrow, children. Goodbye.